We manufacture viral transportation media in bulk per CDC guidelines. Regeneration Biology Universal COVID-19 Viral Transport Medium, which could potentially be used in the COVID-19 crisis. VTM-UTM is available in 4,000 liters a week, and they are in 2-liter sterile PET bottles. No swab included. An alternative option number 1 for collecting. Any commercial seeker to obtain universal transport media in the sterile vial. Universal COVID-19 Viral Transport Medium. Universal Shield COVID-19 Viral Inactivation Transport Medium. For order inquiries call T1-888-866-4972. Regeneration Biology Pharmaceutical Research Labs. Or email us at sales@regenerationbiology.com. regenerationbiology@hotmail.com. regenerationbiology@gmail.com. Visit our website www.regenerationbiology.com.